How to use Amazon Map tracking to see exactly where your delivery driver is. Let's get started. Open up Amazon application, sign into your account. Amazon Map tracking lets you view your driver location in real time when your package is close to being delivered. This feature usually becomes available when the driver is about 10 or 20 stops away from your address. To get started, you can go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon, then select orders. Then select my orders right over here. And just like that, you can go ahead and simply find the order that's scheduled for delivery today. Tap on track package. If map tracking is available for your delivery, you will see a live map showing a driver's location and estimated arrival time. You may also be able to access the tracking map through the shipment confirmation email that Amazon sends on the day of delivery. Keep in mind, map tracking isn't available for every orders and only appears when the driver is close to your location. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.